baby loves. So I just got back home from getting my nails done, and we are about to do our cushion grip. So I got my hot water running. Fill it up right here. Hold on. So just let it sit for just a few minutes. While I'm letting that sit for just a few minutes, I'm going to wash these off with some hot water. Dry them off really good, and I shall return. So the whole deal with cushion grip is that you have to make sure that your dentures are dry. Dry. I mean dry. Dry. So I take a Q-tip and I just rub in all the little places, because you never know where the water can sit. And by about this time, the cushion grip's ready, so I shall return. Now we're gonna dry the cushion grip off, and we shall return. So the deal with this is to make sure that you get enough. That's about good enough for my bottoms. Put the cap back on. If you don't, you're gonna be SOL, because it's all gonna come out. Just rub it like this into a little wormy. Make sure it's kind of long. And then just set it in your denture like this. Stretch it out a little bit. And then, so it's going to look like that. And then I'm just going to move it down and make sure it's really good in there. Some is going to come over, but that's okay. We just put it all the way down. All the way down. And if you can bring it all the way to the back, bring it all the way to the back. Get as much down here as you can. Like, I'll use my nail. And you just push it down, and you can bring it down to like this. You can just, yeah, just mold it. Just mold it. All right, there we go. And then you're gonna let it sit for like 10 minutes. Maybe 15, depending. Usually I do this at night, but it's okay. I have a little pair of scissors that I can cut off the excess. And really, I'm telling you, this stuff is a lifesaver. So basically, this is what it looks like once you finish all of it. So just let it sit there for like 10 minutes. It'll cure. Don't drink anything. Don't eat anything. And we'll put this in our mouth in just a few minutes, and I'll show you guys. But yeah, that's it. Easy peasy cushion grip. Acts like a soft liner, so it fills in all those holes and gaps. And I'm telling you, it has been a lifesaver for me. I use a little bit of poly grip sometimes when I'm eating, but this is legit. I love it. So I got sidetracked with Babe, but here we are. Y'all ready? Okay. Just bite down. I kind of roll my head. If you don't get the bite right, it will drive me freaking crazy. But there's going to be a little bit of excess for a little while. I need to continue to keep biting for a little bit. Hold, please. We Gucci. I'm telling y'all, cushion grip is a lifesaver. It is a lifesaver. And once you finally figure out exactly how much you need for your particular denture, I cannot say enough good things about cushion grip. It's my favorite. I also forgot to say, you can use cleaning tablets, you can use toothpaste, you can scrub them, you can do everything that you would normally do to your dentures to them with the cushion grip still on there. I promise. When I say it's a lifesaver, it's literally been a lifesaver.